So we start off today's video with this curly bun tutorial. I absolutely love the texture of her hair. It is just so gorgeous. Very nice. I love how she left hanging pieces as well. Such a cute, fun style. And then we have this hairstyle that's perfect for thin hair. Her hair color is so pretty. So she's basically adding in some waves and then a nice braid. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hairstyles. So today's video is going to feature a variety of hairstyles. So if you are in need of a way to fix up your boring hair, this video is for you. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyle ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the hottest and the latest hair trends. So here we have someone using the very popular Dyson Airwrap in order to blow dry and add some curls to their hair. She's doing like a flipped under curl, and this really creates a lot more volume, giving that like 70s vibe. Very cute hairstyle, and obviously this is a very popular look at the moment. We're seeing so many different variations of the layered look, and I love how she did hers. Next up we have another very popular hairstyle, and that includes the waver. So she's adding that in to create a gorgeous texture. And then we have someone else who is rocking waves. So she's going to be doing this with the waver, or not waver, I forgot what this tool is called. Wand curls, that's it. So there's many different ways that you can add curls to your hair. You can do the wand curl, you can braid the hair, or you can use the waver. So here we have someone adding some twist to the top of their hair, adding in some curls with the flat iron. Very pretty, and I love the tousled twist that she did at the top. And then we once again see someone with curly hair. So she's going to be doing the 2 pigtail braided look. Another hairstyle popular by TikTok. And then we have another curly hair tutorial. So for all of the curly hairstyles, if you don't have natural curly hair, you can create texture in your hair by, of course, using that waver or the wand curler, or by braiding your hair when it's wet. That will create a nice natural looking texture. And then you can attempt to do some of these styles if you want more of a textured look. So next up we have someone who looks like they did some crimps on their hair, and then they are going in and styling it. So she did 2 voluminous buns, very chic, and I love how she left the bangs hanging with the crimps, very pretty. Then she's going to be attempting to do a half up, half down style. And that particular style was very popular on Pinterest a few years ago. And here's the same style, but she did it in a different way. Both are very cute. Then we have another half up, half down style. So she's going to be doing 2 buns with this one. And this kind of has like a nice, messy, chic vibe to it. I love the tousled-ness. And then she also goes in and creates even more texture with her waver. Very cute. Then we have another variation of that same braided top knot style, and she did it with a ponytail. Followed by this really pretty tousled curly updo. Now it looks like she's going to be heading to the gym with this hairstyle, but this would be a cute look to wear just for running errands, or if you just wanted to do something different with your hair. She has a really pretty texture to her strands as well. Gorgeous. So you can wear it 2 different ways in a ponytail like that, or pin it all the way up. I think I like it better pinned all the way up. It just looks so carefree and simple. So next up we have someone once again doing that very popular top knot braided style. So like I said, this particular hairstyle was very popular a couple years ago, and it looks like it is definitely making a comeback. Very cute. I love how she did the 2 buns with it. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me. You were able to get some type of hair inspiration. If you did, please be sure to like today's video and check out these hairstyles if you want to see even more hot hair ideas.